If you're seeing Steam error 84, that usually means Steam is hitting a connection timeout. In simple terms, your Steam client loses contact with Steam servers during login or while using community features. The good news is that this is usually fixable, and in this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to help get Steam working again. If this helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let's get started. First, we're going to force Steam to use the TCP protocol. By default, Steam often uses UDP, and while that can be fast, it can also be less stable on some networks. Switching to TCP can help bypass handshake timeouts and improve the connection. To do this, right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Properties. Then look for the target field. At the very end of the line, after the closing quote, add a space and then type -TCP. It should look something like this: steam.exe space -TCP. Once that's added, click Apply, then click OK, and restart Steam completely. This small change can solve the timeout issue for a lot of users. If Steam error 84 is still showing up, the next step is to flush your DNS and reset your IP settings. Sometimes your PC is trying to reach an old, incorrect, or outdated server address, and that can cause the connection to time out before Steam can respond. To fix that, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. When the black window opens, type the first command: ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Then type netsh int IP reset and press again. These commands help clear network conflicts and refresh your internet configuration. Once all 3 commands are done, restart your PC so the changes can fully apply. Now let's move on to the third fix, which is clearing Steam's web cache. A corrupted local browser cache can trigger the connection error 84 pop-up, especially if Steam is having trouble loading community pages, shop pages, or login components. Open Steam and go to Settings. From there, find the In-Game section and click Delete Web Browser Data, then confirm the prompt. After that, go to Settings again, this time click Downloads and choose Clear Cache. This helps remove stored data that may be causing the timeout or loading issue. Once that's done, close Steam and reopen it to test the connection again. At this point, Steam should have a much better chance of connecting properly. If the error was caused by a protocol issue, network conflict, or corrupted cache, these steps should resolve it. And if Steam error 84 is still coming back, you may also want to check your internet connection, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy, and make sure your firewall or antivirus is not blocking Steam. If this video helped you fix Steam error 84, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.